Bo Lafferty.
Yes, sir.
Joe Hughes, National Ford Truck Club. OEM Systems, you're a relatively new sponsor of the Ford National Truck Club. We really appreciate that. It's quite a show. There's a lot to see.
We were trying to figure what we were going to do for 2 days, and then once we got here, we were like, I don't know whether we can see it all in 2 days.
Yeah, you're going to have to run for 2 days.
Yeah, exactly.
I wish all of my associates could be here because I really feel like dealers miss out on seeing there's so many things that are changing so quickly in our industry. You need to see it. If you miss a year or even, you miss seeing the latest technology and all.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many things that we didn't even know existed, I guess.
Right.
You know, just little things that can make a big difference in what we do.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, it's like 2-3 years ago, Bluetooth. Well, who needed Bluetooth? Well, Bluetooth? Mm-hmm. Of course you have to have Bluetooth. Your employees you can't let them be driving along without checking their cell phone. They've got to have Bluetooth.
You have to have it now.
It's
almost a standard option.
3 years ago, it's like, what? What's that? So anyway, crazy. So tell us about OEM and how we can support.
Well, we are a QVM for Ford. We were brought about in 1985. One of our bigger things is Redding Service Bodies. We're a distributor for Redding. We're a distributor for CM. And one of the main reasons we chose to sponsor Ford is the Truck Club, is we wanted to show our commitment kind of to Ford. We've been working in the last 1.5 to 2 years trying to get a bailment pool with Ford. We're already a QVM for Ford. We do CNG.
That's a huge step there.
Yeah, we do CNG installations, and we've been doing those for quite a while. We've sold about 40 probably so far this year. With the CNG in Oklahoma, with the regulations and stuff, we expect to sell quite a few more this year.
Right.
And Ford's the only game.
Oklahoma and Texas are heavy in the CNG world, and I think they're really taking the lead for all of us.
Yeah, and we're one of the bigger people. I mean, we actually were one of the companies that helped get it going, and with Chesapeake, who used to be a huge CNG company, we did all of their work, and we still do a lot of their work. But now we're starting to get people that have invested in the infrastructure and stuff, and they still want to do the CNG, and they call and they're, who should we do CNG? And it's like, you definitely need to do Ford, because with the QVM process, it just protects everybody that's involved in the
I'm so pleased to hear that they have now made the prep package available on the 7.3 engine for 2020. It's like, to go without for how long did we have to go? And of course now we have to get everything certified for the 7.3, but that's a relatively short step. So we should be.
Yeah, I got an email just a couple of days ago that said on the 150, I think in 250 and 350, they'd already got their EPA certifications that come through.
What system do you primarily work with?
We usually do two. We do either Alltech Eco or Landy Renzo, and really it just depends on the truck. Yeah. Because some does some and some of the others. Yeah. So it just really depends. Right now it's mostly the kits we're doing so far this year are all Landy Renzo kits.
I see. Good product.
So it is. Yep. It is.
Been around forever, and thousands of them in service in Europe as well as in the U.S.
Yes, sir.
So that's great.
Yes, sir.
Anything else you want to tell us about?
No, I mean, we're just, we've been around since 1985. Yeah. We have, Redding, we do CM. We ship all over the United States. Yeah. We're trying to grow. We know Ford is the biggest, when it comes to commercial trucks. Yeah. Ford is the largest. Yeah. So we're trying to hitch our wagon to a winner, I guess.
Sure. Well, we appreciate that. How do we get a hold of you? If we're somewhere out in parts unknown, you have a website?
Yeah, OEMtruckequipment.com.
Okay.
And it has a list of the products we carry, services we offer. Right. Has links for the salespeople, how to get a hold of each of us. Right. Depending on what you're.
You have a ship to at the present time?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, we have a ship to. So we primarily we're getting a lot of our Ford business that way. Right. Is on the ship to. Yeah. I think we can really help grow I mean, Ford has a big presence already.
Yeah.
And we work with all the biggest dealers in Oklahoma. We service them now.
Oh,
it's just
sure.
they bring us trucks, and then we service a lot in northern Texas, southern part of Kansas, Arkansas. But just to be able to simplify the process for them.
Right.
You know, just like, oh, you've already got the truck. So that way they don't have to worry about freight and all that. We can just put it together and take it to them.
It can make a big difference on shortening lead time. When I
does.
need something in a month, I don't need it in 6 months. I need it.
Yeah, because when they're waiting on trucks, you know, if we had a truck sitting there, you know, we could have
huge difference.
Yeah, have some upfit ready to go.
Right.
You know, we keep the equipment in stock.
Right.
I mean, we've got, you know, everything that you need to build. Pretty much anything you have sitting here right now, we have all the necessary parts to build
plug
sitting
and
there.
play pretty
we
quick.
just need the chassis.
Yeah.
So.
Well, great. Well, Bo, thanks again for everything that you do for us.
No, thank you. Thank you.
It means a lot to us.